Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and money management tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something that's a game changer for QuickBooks users: how to download a QBO file from Bank of America in 2025. If you're syncing your bank transactions with accounting software, this step-by-step guide will save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bank of America online account. If you haven't already, head to the Bank of America website and enter your credentials securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Transactions section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Here, you'll see a summary of your accounts, so select the one you want to export data from. Next, look for the Export or Download option. In 2025, Bank of America's interface might have a fresh look, but it should still be straightforward. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose a file format. This is key. Select QBO from the drop-down menu, as it's specifically designed for QuickBooks compatibility. Don't worry if you're new to this. QBO files make importing transactions seamless. Now, specify the date range for the transactions you need. Whether it's the last month or the entire year, pick what works for you. After that, hit the Download button. The file should save directly to your computer, but double-check your Downloads folder if it doesn't appear right away. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, ensure your browser is up to date and that you're using a secure connection. Bank of America might require additional verification for security reasons, so keep an eye out for that. Once downloaded, you can import the QBO file into QuickBooks effortlessly. There you have it. That's how you download a QBO file from Bank of America in just a few simple steps. This process keeps your finances organized and up to date. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.